Welcome to Digital Paycheck. On this channel, we show you how to make money online with helpful videos, tips, and useful tricks so you can have the knowledge to achieve financial freedom. Number 1. Sell your photos. Are you a photographer or do you live in a region where photographs are in high demand? Stock photography websites are massive archives of photos, spanning practically every potential subject you might conceive. Photographers can post their photographs to one of several massive databases, making them available for purchase by magazine editors, designers, and any group with a website. The beauty of stock websites is that photos may be sold multiple times, allowing you to earn money without exerting any effort. Shutterstock, PhotoShelter, and Getty Images are some of the best photography sites to visit. Number 2. Make instructional videos. In recent years, YouTube has emerged into the go-to source for all manner of video courses and instructions. Instructors can monetize their videos by charging a subscription fee or password-protecting content that is only available to paying users. There are YouTubers making 6 figures a year. To get ideas on what to create as subject content, all you do is start typing "how to," your topic, into YouTube's search bar and see what terms appear in the autofill dropdown. When writing your video title, description, and tags, make sure to include the same keywords. Number 3. Work as a copywriter. Want to make a good living regardless of where you live? A beach property in Latin America, a historic European city, or even a Greek island? You could be a good fit for copywriting. Copywriting is a mega industry, brimming with opportunities. And hungry for someone who can refuel it with new marketing messages. One of the finest aspects of the freelance copywriter's lifestyle is that you can get paid in US dollars while living nearly anywhere on the planet. Express Writers offers advice on how to become a copywriter as well as job listings. Number 4. Teach English. You may not realize it, but you already have the number 1 qualification you need for a fun, portable income that can offer you a steady paycheck from anywhere in the globe if you're a fluent English speaker, according to International Living. GoOverseas.com, teach away. Teach English online to Chinese students, iTutor Group, Teach English online to Taiwanese children and adults, and English Hunt are some of the options available. Teach English on the phone to adult students in Korea. Number 5. Turn your passions into a profitable podcast. Podcasting does not have to be complicated. You'll be up and running in no time with a microphone, a laptop, and some free recording software. Furthermore, podcasts do not need to be broadcast every day. Once a week is ideal, and are more effective when they are brief. A podcast can be used to earn money in a variety of ways. Commercial sponsorship is the most obvious, but you can also use it to promote your own products or services. Number 6. Establish a content and web development company. Do you know how to create websites and content? These services can be provided to anyone using online tools that make creating stunning websites a breeze. WordPress, Weebly, and Joomla are examples of resources. Number 7. Learn how to translate and interpret. Do you have a second language? There will be a demand for interpreting and translation services wherever there are expat communities and English is not the primary language. Online translation and interpretation are also available. There are several options for becoming a translation or interpreter here. One of the best is Wellocalize, which rated first on this list of the top 20 firms for remote work in 2020. Number 8. Dropshipping. Do you know what dropshipping is? It's a retail method in which the vendor doesn't have any physical inventory. Instead, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer when a customer places an order. This means you'll never have to pay $1 to keep your products or maintain your inventory. Plus, you'll never have to buy things in quantity in the hopes of recouping your investment. This strategy can be used with online marketplaces such as eBay or Amazon. In this useful post from Shopify, you can learn more about dropshipping. Number 9. Be a tutor. Establishing your own tutoring service can be a lucrative business that gives you with a pleasant and flexible lifestyle, and the best part is that you can start a teaching business in nearly any country. Clients that advertise your business can get discounts. One of the most valuable marketing tools you can have when starting out is word-of-mouth marketing, International Living recommends. Tutors.com contains a list of the best online tutoring positions, and tutorm.com allows you to apply to be a tutor. Number 10. Work as an independent proofreader. Another lucrative internet job is proofreading. Most agencies will pay a proofreader roughly 25% of the price of a translated paper. For a 5-page normal business document, translation agencies charge around $75. As a result, proofreading the identical work, which takes roughly an hour, pays $18 to $20. You can work full-time, part-time, or 24 hours a day. Tips on how to become a proofreader can be found on Media Bistro, a resource site for media professionals. Number 11. Typing. Do you type quickly? It's easy to transcribe. Using headphones, listen to an audio file and type it out. Your income as a transcriber is directly tied to how fast you type. Rather than being paid by the hour, transcription jobs are compensated by the audio hour, the length of the audio file. The audio quality, background noise, the speaker's accent, and the speed at which people talk all influence the amount of time required on a transcript. The average transcriber will finish one audio hour in 4 hours of work, typing between 75 and 100 words per minute. Consider the transcribing company Rev.com, which recruits freelancers. Number 12. Start a profitable blog. Do you have a specialization? Write a blog post about your advice. Consider what you can provide if travel is your area of expertise. Do you specialize in luxury or budget travel? Can you offer suggestions for activities such as hiking or shopping? The more specialized you get, the easier it will be to attract an interested audience and earn money with your blog. Squarespace and Wix both offer advice on how to start a blog and can host it. Number 13. Get involved in the ebook industry. The ebook industry is a lucrative business. You can make one for yourself. Kindle has a guide for how to do it. Alternatively, find a book that has already been published in print and license it for online publication. You can pay the author a one-time payment for the online publishing rights or 8 to 15% royalties based on net sales. Number 14. Create an online class. Create an entire online course with tutorials, PDF downloads, and videos instead of just an ebook. People will pay for the information and can go at their own pace or ask questions about the course in a dedicated group, making it a perfect method to generate passive money. Learn Worlds, which allows anybody to profit from their skills and experience by establishing an online program, is one resource for creating and selling online courses. Number 15. Train to be a life coach. Life coaching is a thought-provoking and creative process that helps people focus on both personal and professional goals. People utilize life coaching to overcome phobias, gain self-confidence, set objectives, and develop successful habits. There are many of online life coaching training programs available, and many certification programs include a complete website setup once the training is done. You can even become a travel coach if you have a passion for travel. Number 16. Work as a narrator for audiobooks. Audiobooks are becoming more popular as a kind of entertainment. The convenience feature of smartphones has led to an industry growth. As a result, there's a demand for freelance narrators. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And leave a comment below.